In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or remove sections on Shopify, whether it's the header, the footer, or any other part of your online store. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential for those moments when you want to streamline your store's appearance without permanently deleting anything. So let's dive right in and make those modifications effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your online store. From here, locate the left-hand side of your screen and find the section labeled Online Store. Clicking on Online Store will present you with a few more options. We're interested in themes today, so go ahead and click on that. You've now arrived at the Themes page, which is where the magic happens. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll see your current active theme displayed. Usually there's a large button next to your theme that says Customize. This button is your gateway to editing your store's design. Go ahead and click on Customize to enter the theme editor. Now that you're in the theme editor, you'll see a live preview of your online store on the right side, while the left side hosts various options for modifications. It's time to find the section you want to hide on your store. Hover your cursor over the live preview, and as you do, notice how different elements on your page highlight themselves. This interaction will guide you to identify exactly which section is which. Perhaps you want to tidy up your homepage by removing the newsletter sign-up form, or make your product pages less cluttered by hiding a particular block of information. Use the highlight to ensure you're addressing the correct section. After you've identified the section you want to hide, look for a little eye icon. This icon is universal across Shopify for indicating visibility. Much like closing your eyes brings darkness, clicking this eye icon will hide the section from view on your store. Hover over the section in the left pane, and you should see this eye icon pop up next to it. A simple click will hide it. Don't worry, your sections aren't permanently deleted. They're just tucked away from being visible to your customers. Always remember to save your work. Saving ensures that all your changes are applied and everything displays as it should when your customers visit your store. You'll usually find the Save button at the top right corner of the theme editor. Click it to lock in your changes. Once you've saved, it's worthwhile to preview your store. Make sure everything looks as you intended. Sometimes even small changes can have a bigger impact than anticipated on the overall layout, so this step is key. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully hidden sections on your Shopify store, enhancing the look and feel of your site. Whether you're looking to simplify your store's layout temporarily or permanently, these steps are a great way to keep your Shopify site dynamic and user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing!